Kyoto train station. There are a lot of regional trains running from Kyoto to Nara every 30 minutes just for $2–3 per ticket. The history of Japan as a unified state starts from Nara. Nara was the first permanent capital of Japan in 8th century, before the capital was moved to Kyoto. Before that, the capital used to be moved to a new location whenever a new emperor ascended to the throne. Nara is second only to Kyoto as the richest collection of serene temples, gardens and shrines, as well as 8 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Nara Park is a public park established in 1880 and renowned for its free-roaming deers. According to the legend, the god Nigatsu-do arrived to Nara on a white deer to guard the newly built capital. Since then, the deer was considered as a sacred animal, protecting the city and the country. Todaiji, or Great Eastern Temple, is one of Japan's most famous and historically significant temples and a landmark of Nara. The temple was constructed in 8th century as the head temple of all provincial Buddhist temples of Japan. Todaiji's main Great Buddha Hall held the record as the world's largest wooden building and houses the world's largest bronze statue of Buddha. One of the wooden pillars has a hole and the people are crawling through it. According to the legend, the size of the hole is equivalent to the Buddha statue's nostril, and if you crawl through it, you will be blessed with health and happiness. Nigatsu-do Hall of the second month is a smaller temple, also part of Todaiji, and best known for Mitsutori, a fire and water ceremony holding in March every year. Priests carry huge flaming torches and held them from the balcony over the crowds below, spreading out the burning embers. It's believed it gives the good fortune for the coming year. Later on, the sacred water is drawn from the well under the temple, which is said to have healing properties. Nigatsu-do Hall has a higher balcony with a beautiful view over the city. Kasuga Taisha Shrine is considered one of the most sacred sites in all Japan, and houses for main deities and those in lucky gods. Kasuga Taisha is famous for its lanterns, which have been donated by worshippers, and it's a traditional way to greet the spirits of the dead. Around 1,000 bronze lanterns hang around, and another 2,000 stone lanterns line the pathway to the shrines. If you like this video, please give the thumb up, subscribe and push notification button to get more tips about traveling in Japan and Asia.